Hello guys, today we are going to see how to install the lift up kit that we have. First of all, when you remove the shock absorber, you undo these preload screws, both of them, okay? Completely the bottom. If you have a 600cc, you can always also remove the spring from the bottom because you don't have this separate tank. Okay, so you can slide off the spring. In this case, it's a 650, you can't. Okay. If you push down this rubber, you can access to the nut. Okay, you hold this and you unscrew this. You access to the nut with a 22mm spanner. You hold this and undo like this. Okay, you get this off. It is a little hard because they have some Loctite inside, so you can also put a CNC part that you're gonna screw on this. Okay, that's all. Then, as you can see, you have three different positions here. Then you have another set of these two that you undo with this 4 screw. So when it's on, you don't have to remove the shock absorber. You just remove these 4 screws and change this. If you want another position that's is going to be in between those two. So it's very, very gradual. And we have 5 positions. We start from lower than standard, and another 4 positions are higher than standard. Okay. How to install the extension for the for the tubes? You just remove this cap. Of course, if the bike, if the fork is on the bike, you only need to undo the tripod clamp, the 2 screws of the upper plate, and you can unscrew this easy. Okay, once you have removed this, now we just remove the cap and we're gonna change the springs. Okay, these are just a regular spring, and we're gonna put Hyper Pro springs on. What's the difference between the spring? You can tell right away. They have wider and narrower. You see? Of course, these are shorter, so we have to add a spacer here. Okay, the gasket, the oil seal is okay. It's not leaking. It's pretty dry here, so we just change the oil. You see by the color that is a little darker. Usually it should be red. This is brownish, so okay. And we leave it like this. We're gonna replace the oil with Putoline oil, W10. The amount standard is 515cc. If you want to get it a little bit harder than standard, you put like 20, 30, 40 until 50cc extra oil in the fork. Another thing you could do, you can use our spacer. We have different thickness, so you can add on the top of the spring the spacers depending on how hard you want to have it. Ok, 5,50. Regular standard cap, so it won't affect the preload of the bike. tight up, and that's it. This tube is 52 millimeter long. Of course, you can let it stick out to the upper plate, so you can have more length or less, is up to you. So if you like the video, please join our channel, and if you would like to have more videos about anything else, please leave a comment and we'll see if we can do.